Hi, hello everyone. Welcome to SK Academy of Mathematics. Today, let us learn how to solve the problem on changing the order of integration with respect to double integral. Integral varies from 0 to a, y to a, x by x square plus y square. How to represent the given integral, how to represent the limit point, how to change the variable with respect to the given limit point, and how to simplify and reduce the solution. Now, let us see. First, represent the given integral solution I, which is equal to 0 to a, y equal to a x by x square plus y square dx dy. This is our required solution. Now, always first look into the first integral. It is defined with respect to y. If the limit points are defined with respect to y, means I need to integrate with respect to, strictly with respect to x. The remaining variable is y. Done. Now I need to change the integral, that is this integral will be changed with the limit point of x, and this integral will be changed with the limit point of y. How? First let us see. Check the limit points. Y is equal to 0 and y equal to a. This is our lower limit and this is our upper limit. In this integral we have x equal to y and x equal to a. Done. If I substitute y limit points, I get the limit point of x. That is, if y equal to 0, then x equal to 0. The lower limit is equal to 0. Now, if y equal to a, then here in this, then x is also equal to a. This is the upper limit. Now, to find the limit point of y, how we are going to consider represent the graph? We know that always x equal to y is defined or represented with respect to a straight line. Done. Now, consider the limit point. See, y is also 0, extend this. Okay. Since y is also 0, then y is also equal to, see, it start from y is also 0, x is also 0. 0 comma 0. Then x we have, if y is also 0, x is also 0, then we have x is equal to a and y is equal to a. That means we have what, 0 comma a. Then we have, for this point we have a comma 0. That is x, y, these are the limit point, because x is the limit point of a and y limit point is 0. But here also is the same, y is 0, but sorry, x is 0, but the limit point of y with respect to y is a. Okay, just draw an intersection point and draw a line for this perfect. Okay, imaginary line. Now, since x is equal to a and x is equal to 0, the initial line starts from here. Since x is equal to 0, why? Because it starts from 0 to a. First, let us check the limit point. See, it starts from 0 to a, because initial line, see, oh sorry, x not, let us represent. See, the initial line is 0. This initial line y is equal to 0. It goes up to the upper integral, that is upper with respect to, goes on increasing with respect to what, a. See, initial lies from 0 to a, that is a comma a. This is equal to x equal to y. Now, looking into this, first check this limit point. This is our lower limit. Lower limit means this is our lower limit, and a, what is our a with respect to x equal to y? In the with respect to, see, x with respect to a, this is our upper limit, this is our lower limit, sorry, this is our lower limit, and this is our upper limit. Okay, this is our upper limit. Now we have horizontal lower limit, that is x equal to y, and upper limit x equal to a. Now horizontal changes to vertical, that is, now this will be our lower limit and this will be our upper limit. That means this is our lower limit and this is our upper limit. But I need to represent with respect to which variable? With respect to y. So see, lower limit is defined with respect to y, because y equal to 0. Since the lower limit starts from 0 to a. 0 to upper goes to a. So the lower limit is y equal to 0. Lower limit y equal to 0 and upper limit it goes to y equal to x. Got the point? Y equal to x. That's it. Now what we are going to do, represent x divided by x square plus y square dy dx. That's it. Now erase this part, just integrate. Since I need to integrate with respect to y, so I, which is equal to x varies from 0 to a, x remains constant, 1 by x square plus y square, I need to integrate with respect to dx. Then, sorry, with respect to dy dx. I, which is equal to x varies from 0 to a, x into, with respect to I, since I have y variable, integration of 1 by x square plus y square can be written as 1 by x into tan inverse of y by x. Limits varies from what? Okay, limits let us represent 0 to x. Limits varies from 0 to x dx. I, which is equal to x varies from 0 to a, x get cancelled, tan inverse of x by x minus tan inverse of 0 into dx. I, which is equal to x varies from 0 to a, x get cancelled, tan inverse of 1 minus tan inverse of 0. Tan inverse of 1, we have, what is tan inverse of 1? Pi by 4. Tan inverse of 0 minus 0 into dx. Pi by 4 remains constant. I, which is equal to pi by 4 into x varies from 0 to a, 1 dx. Integration of 1 with respect to dx, we have pi by 4 into x, limits varies from 0 to a, I, which is equal to pi by 4 into a minus 0, I, which is equal to pi a by 4 is the required solution for the given double integral by changing the order of integration with respect to the given limit points, varies from y, varies from 0 to a, x equal to y to a. I hope you have understood this problem. For more videos, please do like, share and subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you.